Welcome students. In this video we are going to learn about 4 logic gates, which is not a basic logic gates but which are more important gates in our Boolean algebraic expressions or Boolean circuit. Okay, so at first we are going to learn about NAND and NOT gate. First it's NAND. NAND gate means NAND gate comes from the NOT operation of AND gate. NOT AND comes NAND gate. Okay, that means if this is AND gate, minimum 2 variables are there. Okay, so A, B is its output of an AND gate. NOT AND means if we complemented the output of an AND gate, that means if we add one NOT gate in the output of an AND gate, we get NAND operation. That means A, B bar. So NAND means if the two variables are there, then A, B complement of AND operation gives NAND gate. Okay, so this circuit, that is AND gate, if we add one NOT gate in the output of an AND gate, we get complemented of AND value. This circuit consists of two basic gates. One is AND gate and one is NOT gate. And by combining these two gates, we get one AND gate. This symbol is like this. NAND gate itself is a gate which functions is like the complemented value of an AND operation. So if we give circle at the in front of an AND gate, this type of gate is known as AND gate. So our truth table of NAND gate is, if AB is the minimum two variables are there, so 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, two variables are there. So AB means 0, AND operation means if 1 0 is there, it is AND operations, and NAND operations means AB complement, that means complement of this 1 1 1 0. So by definition, NAND gate is if at least, that means if at least 1 0 in the input line, then output is 1. This is what was the definition of AND operation? AND operation definition is if at least 1 0 is in the input line, then output is 0. And definition of NAND gate is if there exists 1 0 at least 1 0 in input line, then the output is 1. Okay, if at least 1 0 in the input line, output is 1. Otherwise output is 0. That means when the output is 0, when all the values, input values are 1, then the output is 0. This is our NAND gate. Okay, now NOR gate. Similarly, our NOR gate comes from NOT operation of OR gate, not OR. Okay, so not OR means, what is our OR gate? This is our OR gate, minimum two input line, A, B, A plus B. If we add one NOT gate in front of a NOT gate, So complemented value of OR gate is NOR gate. Okay. So the equivalent symbol of NOR gate, this symbol is equivalent to like this way. At first draw OR gate and add one circle in front of them. This is symbol of NOR gate. A plus B complement. This is not a symbol of NOR gate. This is the implementation of NOR gate using basic logic gate, because OR gate and NOT gate are basic logic gate, mind it. And this is the logic gate of NOR gate. Again, this is not the logic gate of AND gate. This is the implementation of NAND gate using basic logic gate. And this is the logic gate of NOT gate. Okay. So this is logic gate of NAND gate. NAND. Okay. And here also this is implementation of NOR gate using basic logic gate. And this is NOR gate. Okay. Now let us see the truth table. Truth table is A, B, two variables. So at first A plus B, that means 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So according to OR gate, if there exists only 1, 1, then output is 1. So obviously complement, then the complement becomes A plus B complement. It is 1, 0, 0, 0. So we can define NOR gate like this way. If there is at least one single one in the input line, then the output is 0. Okay. Otherwise the output is 1. So its definition will be, if there exist only single one in the input line, then the output is 0. Okay, you can see that only as for OR operation, if there exists one single one, output is 1. Obviously for NOR operation, if there exists only single one, output is 0. Otherwise output is 1. Okay. Now another gate is XOR gate. XOR or exclusive OR gate. Okay. Exclusive OR gates, its symbol is like this. Clear? And A, B, if two input line, it is represented at A plus circle A exclusive OR B. This is the symbol of exclusive OR gate. Okay. Now the truth table of exclusive OR gate is for two variables. Suppose A, B, A exclusive OR B. For truth table is that 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. For exclusive OR, if there is odd number of 1 in the input line, then the output is 1. Odd number of 1 means as there is no 1, so obviously its output 0. There is one single one, output is 1. There is also single one, that means odd number of 1, output is 1. There is 2 1, that means even number of 1, output is 0. So exclusive OR is, by definitions, if there exists odd number of 1 in input lines, then output is 1. Otherwise, output is 0. So this statement is valid for 3 variables also. Also for 3 variables, you have to check the values of 1 in the 3 variables. If it is single one, then suppose, for example, if its combinations is 1 0 1, as there are 2 ones, its output will be 0 for exclusive OR gate. But if there are 1 1 1, as there are 3 ones, that means odd number of 1, output is 1 for exclusive OR gate. So this is 3 variables table should be created by yourself. Okay, this is our exclusive OR gate. This is a symbol of exclusive OR gate. Now XNOR gate. XNOR gate is exclusive NOR gate. Obviously, XNOR gate is its symbol is, if we complemented the value of XOR gate, we get XNOR gate. Okay, so XNOR gate is XNOR gate equals to XOR gate complement. That means A exclusive or B complement is XNOR gate, and this is written as A dot circle B. That means A exclusive or B plus circle B complemented is equals to A dot circle B, and its logic gate is like this way. That is AB A dot B. Okay. Now its truth table is A 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, so as it is complemented value of XOR gate, so first you do XOR gate. XOR gate means if there is odd number of 1, output is 1, otherwise output is 0. So for XNOR gate is complemented value of this, either this or A dot B. So we can read, that means 1 0 0 1. This is XNOR gate. So for XNOR gate is definitions: if there is odd number, just inverse of XOR gate, odd number of ones in input line, then output is 0. Otherwise, output is 1. Okay, this is XNOR gate. Now we can represent XOR gate using basic logic gate. So basic logic gate means always you should remember that basic logic gates are AND, OR and NOT. These three gates are basic logic gates. We have if for X OR gate a different gate is this is an identical gate for XOR gate and for XNOR gate. But from the truth table of XOR gate we get the minterm expressions and through which we can convert it into basic logic gate. So for our truth table for XOR gate is A, B, A plus B circle. What is our truth table? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, 1, 0. This is our truth table for XOR gate. Okay. So we get that A plus B expression. If we take minterm expression, so we know that minterm expression means from 1 we get minterm expression. So minterm expression for 1 is A bar B. This is very important expression and there are many uses of this expression. For 1 is A bar B and this for 1 is A B bar. Minterm expression, all of you know how to make a Boolean expression from a truth table. So from the truth table of XOR gate we can make the Boolean expressions and from this Boolean expression we can create the logic gate also. AB, A bar, B AND operations and A B bar, that means A B bar AND operations and these two OR operations, that means A B bar. So it is A bar B, it is A B bar, so A bar B plus A B bar. Okay, so this is the representation of XOR gate using basic logic. That means here you can see that here also two AND gate, two NOT gate and one OR gate is used and these are our basic logic gate. So this output of this gate is equivalent to this. This is single exclusive OR gate and this is the representations of basic logic gate. Okay. Similarly, we can make the Boolean expressions of XNOR gate using basic logic gate. Let us see representation of XNOR gate using basic logic gate. So our NOR gate truth table is A, B, A dot B. We know that 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. And our NOT gate value is 1, 0, 0, 1. For odd number of 1, output is 0 and otherwise 1. So here also for NOT gate expression, NOR gate expression, from the by taking the minterm expression we get A bar B bar plus for 1 A B. Okay, this is minterm expression. But if we take max term expression, then also what will be the expressions? A for 0 we get single value and for 1 we get complemented value dot for 0 A bar plus B. This is max term expressions. Okay. These expressions are very much important. This is very much important expressions. We have to remember this expression. XNOR gate expression is A bar B bar plus AB and XOR gate expression is A bar B plus AB bar. And we can create logic gate of this gate A bar B bar, that means A complement B complement A bar B bar and and A dot B, A, B, and so this is A bar, B bar, this is A, B. We can do OR operation. A bar, B bar plus AB. But don't write here. I am again telling you A bar, B bar means A bar dot B bar. This is not equals to AB whole bar. Always remember it. Okay, this is very important. This is A bar dot B bar, not AB dot whole bar. Clear that? So that's why we are doing here complemented first, then do AND operation. And for this we have to do OR operation first, then do complemented. This is for NAND gate and this is complemented of A bar dot B bar. Okay, so this is a representations of NOR gate. So obviously this gate is equivalent to our NOR gate like this way. This is representation of NOR gate using our basic logic gate. Clear?